must be punctual, right? Notice, passengers must not lean out of the window. The notice said that passengers must not lean out of the window. Means to indicate permanent ruling or prohibition, in these cases must will remain unchanged. Now dear students, you can see illustrative examples of the change of tenses. Take a reporting verb in the past tense. You can see a reporting verb is said, and in the sentence in the inverted comma is your reported speech. Okay? And the present indefinite will change into past indefinite. He said Mohan writes a letter. He said that Mohan wrote a letter. The teacher said the sun rises in the east. The teacher said that sun rises in the east. The maid servant said, I am always in time. The maid servant said that she is always in time. Right? Now, present continuous will change into past continuous. He said to me, I am reading a book. He told me that he was reading a book. Said to will change into told. Right? She said to me, I have written a letter. Said to will again change into told. She told me that she had written a letter. Present perfect continuous. I said to him, she has been sleeping since 10 p.m. I said to will change into told. I told him that she had been sleeping since 10 p.m. Now, see the past indefinite will change into he said to us, the police did not arrest the thief. He told us that the police had not arrested the thief. Past indefinite will change into past perfect. In past continuous, I said to Anil, girls were singing a song. I told Anil that girls had been singing a song. Here, past continuous is changed into past perfect continuous tense. And in future indefinite, you can see Ravi said to me, I shall sing a song. Ravi told me that he shall will change into would. He would sing a song. Now future continuous tense, you can see there. She said, Sudhir will be reading a book. She said that Sudhir would be reading a book. Said will. Here, in place of comma and inverted comma, we have written that, and will is changed into would, and be reading will remain same here. Right? Now, future perfect will change into he said, I shall have written a letter. He said that he would have written a letter. Future perfect continuous tense. She said, I shall have been writing a letter for 10 minutes. She said that she would have been writing a letter for 10 minutes. No changes made in past perfect and past perfect continuous. Hence, there is. Now see the rules for the change of pronouns. It's very important for changing direct speech into indirect speech. We have to be very careful for them. Rules for the change of pronouns. Pronoun in the reported speech are changed according to the person of the pronouns with the reporting verb. The rule number 1 is given. Pronoun of the first person in the reported speech are changed into person of the subject of reporting verb. You can see here, I said I am writing a letter. Here, in the reporting speech, the subject I is given and it will change according to the subject of reporting verb. In this sentence, reporting verb is your said and I is the subject, and this I of the reporting speech will change according to the subject. Then it will remain same here. I said that I was writing a letter. Here the present continuous will change into past continuous tense. You said I am writing a letter. You said that you were writing a letter. He said I am writing a letter. He said that he was writing a letter. Okay. Here the first person of the reporting speech are changed into the person of the subject of the reporting verb. कि अगर आपकी रिपोर्टिंग स्पीच में जो सब्जेक्ट है वो फर्स्ट पर्सन में दिया हुआ है, देन इट विल चेंज अकॉर्डिंग टू द सब्जेक्ट ऑफ द रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब. The table of change of the pronouns of the first person is given. You may see here. Now see this rule number 2. Pronouns of the second person in the reported speech are changed into pronouns of the second person in the reported speech are changed into the object of the reporting verb. Example, noun or pronoun coming after the reporting verb as. For example, here given, he said to me, you are honest. In this case, you can see here he is the subject, said to is your verb, and me is your object, and you are honest. This is your reporting speech. And if in the reporting speech your subject is given in the second person, then it will change according to the object of the reporting verb. It means here me, right? So when we change it into direct to the indirect form, we will get, he told me that I was honest. In the same way, you will do the second sentence. I said to you, you are honest. Heather, it will change into, I told you that you were honest. I said to him, you are honest. I told him that he was honest. He said to me, you have asked your brother to help you. He told me that I might ask my brother to help me. So in this way, we can change our reporting, our direct speech into the indirect form. Here the table of change of pronouns of the second person is given. You may see here. Here the pronoun of the third person in the reporting speech remains unchanged. As I said to him, he is a fool. I told him that he was a fool. Here he is given and it will remain same here in the sentence. He said to me, he is a fool. You told me that he was a fool. He said to you, he is a fool. He told you that he was a fool. Note, all nouns are in the third person. First person change according to the subject. Second person is changed into the object. And third person requires no change. So in this way, your rule may be summed up as SON. Right? In this way, you can learn this rule. Here few changes are given. While passing from direct to indirect speech, words expressing nearness in time and place are generally changed into the words expressing distance. Here the words expressing nearness and words expressing distance. Like now is changed into then, this, that, these, those, here, there, thus, so, go, ago, before, hither, thither, hence, thence, today, that day, tonight, that night, tomorrow, the next day, yesterday, the previous day. In the same way, you will get the other words also. Now see, there are few examples. He said, I will go do it now. He said that he would do it then. Now is changed into then. I said, I will come here. Here is changed into there. I said that I would go there. Mohan said to me, I shall see you tomorrow. Mohan told me that he would see me the next day. Hari said to me, I will go there next month. Hari told me that he would go there the following month. She said to her brother, Priya met me here yesterday. She told her mother that Priya met her there the previous day. Right? When the word showing nearness like this, here, now, etc. in direct speech refer to the object present at the time of reporting or to the place or time at which the speech is reported, they may remain unchanged. Here few examples are also given. Now dear students, the remaining part of this reported speech we will do in the next video. Thank you.